Hello guys, welcome to Life School. Today we'll be talking about how to set SMART goals and achieve them. Okay, let's start. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to get into something that can turn your life around, setting SMART goals, and better yet, actually achieving them. We all have dreams, but making those dreams a reality, that's where SMART goals come in. First things first, what are SMART goals anyway? SMART is a mnemonic that spells out specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Specific, be extremely specific about what you want to achieve. Measurable, ensure that you can monitor your progress. Achievable, make a goal that's hard but not impossible. Relevant, pick goals that truly matter to your life. Time-bound, have a deadline to inject urgency. SMART goals succeed because they make you get down to business about what you want, how you're going to get it, and when you're going to get it. No more wishy-washy desires like, I want to be successful. Now you have a plan. Let's take it step by step. Rather than making the statement, I want to get fit, make the statement, I wish to lose 10 pounds over the next 3 months by training 4 times weekly. Track your workouts. Track your food, know your numbers. Is losing 10 pounds in 3 months possible for you? If yes, great. If not, modify. Ask yourself, why is this important to me? If you can't answer that, you might need a different goal. 3 months gives you a clear finish line to work toward. Now that you know how to set SMART goals, here's how to make sure you stick with them. Writing your goals increases your commitment. Big goals are daunting. Divide them into weekly mini goals. Each week, review your progress and make adjustments if necessary. Remember, you don't rise to the level of your goals, you fall to the level of your systems. SMART goals create the system you must have to succeed. If you found this useful, be sure to like this video, subscribe for more, and let me know in the comments. What's one SMART goal you're going to set today? Thanks for watching. Now go out there and crush those goals.